guys, good morning. Um, uh, Dito kami sa Melbourne City Crown Hotel Casino. Crown Hotel Casino. Um, mm, Robert meet friends from Perth in West Australia. I don't know. Diami. Nandito. Nandito kami sa casino. Ay, sa loob to ng casino. Casino Crown Asia in Melbourne City. Gumagala. Yan si Robert.
I've got to go upstairs and turn right.
Ha?
Upstairs and turn right.
So now, sasakay kami ng escalator to going upstairs. Guys, nandito na kami sa taas sa may hinanap namin yung restaurant at saka food court. Hinanap namin. Malaki dito, malaki sa loob. Yan o, kita ninyo. So guys, ito pa pababa. Ayan. Look, that's so good, so pretty. This nice here. Ang ganda. Ganda dito guys. Kaso lang kailangan ito mga mayaman ang pupunta kasi casino. Ito yung casino ng City of Melbourne, Crown Casino in Melbourne. Good. Very nice. Guys. Ito guys. Yung sa tababa. Yun sa baba. Yan. Sa taas yan. Galing. Ganda. Yan si Robby. Bye. Thank you for watching. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. See you.